Salnwi bagwi Srangsalo Hasteo Phaiwi Sokphaikha NCCni Northeast Beremni ADG Major General Gagan Hasteo Phaiwi Sokphaikha no Ashalo St Paul School o thangai NCC cadets rok bai khalaika kaisa kok salai panda NCC no tei belai sekangjak Tripura haste buskangni salo bo poriwi tongnai srai rong no NCC no tei tebo kha habrani nahar mungo salnwi bagwi Srangsalo Hasteo Phaiwi Sokphaikha NCC ni Northeast Beremni ADG Major General Gagan Hasteo Phaiwi Sokphaikha no Ashalo St Paul's School o thangai NCC cadets rok bai khalaika kaisa kok salai panda St Paul's School ni bukhaktei NCC ni Northeast Beremni ADG Major General Gagan no yafarka borom.
So how do you see the response of overall of Northeast, particularly their commitment towards the nation?
No, actually, see, I have been in Northeast for long, but in my present role as Additional Director General NCC for all the 7 states of Northeast, this is my first visit to Tripura and Agartala, and I am actually honored and very excited to see the hard work and commitment of every school and college which is here, and it is for that only that based on the directions from highest level we are in process to actually try and identify how we can expand the footprints of NCC particularly in Tripura. As far as the work ethics and integration of Tripura with nation goes, there is no doubt. This is one of the best performing state, and every cadet or even the teachers I have met, they are committed to the national cause and they are part of the national ethos as such.
So keeping in view, Army and NCC plays a vital role in uniting people, and a time was there when Northeast was not that peaceful. Now peace is resuming. So what is your message to overall the youth particularly?
No, see, we have to understand the future of our country lies in our youth, and every aspect, every machinery of all government as well as society has to work to make them strong. If a nation has to go strong, a youth has to go strong, and the ability and capability of our children from Northeast is beyond doubt. We have one of the best capable students and college-going people in Northeast. And as far as development of Northeast is concerned, Northeast has overall been very peaceful, and you can see in last decade when peace has come here, the development has actually progressed and gone much faster.
One of the biggest menace and the challenge in this region is the long border and drugs and insurgency. So how do you see into this, and how this menace can be controlled? What role can NCC play in that?
No, NCC, see, any problem and every problem, it has to be tackled in a holistic manner where all organs of society have to take part. In NCC, our main aim is to ensure that our youth is a part of the national mainstream, which is unity and discipline. And I keep telling my students, with the support of our principal in schools and the teachers, the basic essence of our message here is that we have to be disciplined in every aspect of our life. And once we have a disciplined youth force, all the other issues will be resolved on their own.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bureau Report Chini Khorang.